International Men's Day, 19th November. International Men's Day is celebrated on 19th November every year, just like International Women's Day every year. It is celebrated in 80 countries and it is also supported by UNESCO. This day is mainly celebrated to protect men from discrimination, exploitation, oppression, violence and inequality and to give them their rights. It also looks at addressing issues such as parenting, positive male role models, families and healthy life choices for men. Significance. According to the website of International Men's Day, men commit suicide 3 times more than women in the world. Also, 1 in every 3 men is the victim of domestic violence. It was also found that more than double members of men suffer from heart disease than women. So, International Men's Day is mainly observed to focus on the health of men and boys, improving gender relations, promoting gender equality, and highlighting male role models. Objectives. To celebrate the positive contribution of men to society, community, family, child care and environment. To highlight discrimination against men. To focus on men's health and well-being that includes all aspects, social, emotional, physical and spiritual. To improve gender relations and promote gender equality. History. The project of International Men's Day was conceived on 8th February 1991 but was inaugurated in 1992 on 7th February by Thomas Auster. The longest running celebration of International Men's Day is Malta, where events have occurred since 7th February 1994. In the early 1990s, Thomas Auster, the director of the Missouri Center for Men's Studies, invited organizations in the US, Australia, and Malta to hold small International Men's Day events during the month of February. Auster successfully hosted these events for 2 years, but his 1995 attempt was poorly attended. Discouraged, he ceased plans to continue the function. Australia followed suit, making Malta the sole country to continue celebrating. In 1999, at Trinidad and Tobago, the day was revived by Jerome Tilaksing from the University of the West Indies. He realized that even though there was a day for fathers, there was no day to celebrate men who didn't have kids or who were young boys and teenagers. Tilaksing understood the importance of positive male role models as his father had been an excellent example for him and chose to celebrate International Men's Day on November 19, the day of his father's birthday, as well as the day a local soccer team had united his country with their endeavors to qualify for the World Cup. Since Tilaksing's revival, International Men's Day has served to promote positive aspects of male identity based on the premise that men respond more constructively to positive role models than to negative gender stereotyping. The day is not intended to compete with International Women's Day, but to highlight the importance of men's physical and mental health and positive masculinity. Observance. International Men's Day is a time for many people to reflect on their contributions, sacrifices, and progress made by men in society. Such progress includes that of men working together with women to make educational, economic, social, and technological advances in society. Topics like men's and boys' health, the importance of gender equality, improvements towards gender relations in all societies, positive male role models for younger generations, men's role in community, family relationships, and childcare, healing, and forgiveness are discussed or showcased through various media activities and events on the day. Meetings, workshops, or group gatherings are also held on the day to focus on overcoming challenges such as domestic violence and drug abuse. International Men's Day is supported by various organizations worldwide, including the United Nations and the Men's Network. Although it is not an official UN observance, a petition has called for the UN to make International Men's Day an official UN observance in the interest of equality.